Subscribe now for real-time breaking news updates. A powerful winter storm has slammed into California, bringing heavy snowfall, dangerous winds, and life-threatening avalanche conditions across mountainous regions. Authorities report that multiple skiers are currently missing after a massive avalanche struck a popular backcountry area. Emergency crews rushed to the scene as visibility dropped and snow continued to fall. The storm, described as one of the strongest of the season, has buried roads, shut down highways, and forced ski resorts to close. The avalanche occurred in the rugged backcountry of the Sierra Nevada, an area known for breathtaking beauty but unpredictable winter conditions. Witnesses say the snow suddenly gave way beneath a group of skiers, sending tons of snow cascading down the slope within seconds. Some skiers managed to escape, but others were swept downhill and buried under several feet of dense snow. Survivors described a terrifying roar, followed by complete silence. Avalanches move with incredible force, often faster than a car on a highway, leaving little time to react. Search and rescue teams immediately launched a large-scale operation despite severe weather conditions. Highly trained avalanche response units equipped with rescue dogs, probes, and transceivers began scanning the snowfield for any signs of life. Helicopters attempted aerial searches when visibility briefly improved, but strong winds complicated flight operations. Rescuers are racing against time, as survival chances decrease significantly after prolonged burial under snow. Meteorologists from the National Weather Service warned days earlier that a powerful winter system was approaching. The storm brought several feet of fresh powder along with wind gusts exceeding 60 miles per hour. Blowing snow created whiteout conditions in higher elevations, making travel nearly impossible. Forecasters say rapid accumulation combined with fluctuating temperatures created unstable snowpacks. When layers of snow fail to bond properly, they form weak zones that can collapse under pressure. Mountain towns near Lake Tahoe have been heavily impacted by the storm. Roads are buried under thick snow, stranding residents and tourists alike. Snowplows are working around the clock, but drifting snow continues to block major routes. Power outages have affected thousands of homes, leaving families relying on generators and emergency supplies. Local businesses, especially ski lodges and restaurants, were forced to close temporarily. Officials are urging residents to stay indoors and avoid unnecessary travel. Survivors of the avalanche are recounting the terrifying moments when the mountain gave way. One skier described feeling the ground crack beneath his skis before being knocked off balance by a powerful wave of snow. Another survivor said visibility vanished instantly as snow filled the air. Those who escaped credit their avalanche safety training and quick reactions. Many carried emergency beacons that helped rescuers locate them quickly. Experts emphasize that proper equipment, including avalanche airbags and transceivers, can significantly improve survival chances. Avalanches occur when accumulated snow becomes unstable and slides down a slope. Heavy snowfall, wind loading, and rapid temperature shifts are common triggers. In mountainous terrain, small vibrations or even a single skier's weight can cause a weak layer to collapse. Once triggered, avalanches can travel at speeds up to 80 miles per hour, carrying snow, rocks, and debris. Experts categorize avalanches into different types, including slab avalanches, which are often the most dangerous. Even as rescue efforts continue, officials warn that the danger is far from over. Additional snowfall and strong winds are expected to persist, increasing the likelihood of further avalanches. Authorities have closed several high-risk areas to prevent more incidents. Backcountry access points are being monitored closely. Experts caution that fresh snow may appear soft and inviting, but hidden weaknesses beneath the surface pose serious threats. With more storms possible in the coming days, communities remain on high alert. Families of the missing skiers are enduring an agonizing wait for updates. Many have gathered near rescue coordination centers, hoping for positive news. Community members are offering support, food, and shelter to those affected. Social media has been flooded with messages of hope and solidarity. Loved ones describe the missing skiers as experienced and passionate about the outdoors. As hours pass, emotions remain fragile. Authorities promise transparent communication and continuous efforts. Experts say extreme winter events have become more unpredictable in recent years. While heavy snowfall benefits water reservoirs, rapid and intense storms can create hazardous conditions. Scientists continue studying how shifting climate patterns influence snowfall intensity and avalanche frequency. Some research suggests that warming temperatures may lead to more unstable snow layers. Regardless of the cause, preparedness remains key. Despite harsh weather and mounting challenges, rescue teams remain determined. Crews rotate shifts to maintain energy and focus. Volunteers are assisting with logistics and supplies. Officials express cautious optimism while acknowledging the risks involved. Every signal detected beneath the snow brings renewed hope. In times of crisis, communities often show remarkable strength and unity. This tragedy serves as a powerful reminder of both nature's beauty and its force. The heavy snowstorm that struck California has transformed scenic winter landscapes into scenes of danger and uncertainty. As avalanche risks remain high, authorities continue searching tirelessly for the missing skiers. This developing story highlights the importance of preparation, awareness, and respect for nature's power. Viewers are encouraged to follow official safety updates and avoid restricted areas. Our thoughts remain with the families awaiting news and with the brave rescue crews working in extreme conditions. If you support rescue efforts, tap the like button.